Welcome to True Future, a podcast about getting ahead by getting out of your head. Literally.
Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Hope you're having a great week.
Yeah.
This is Kai Clay and my daughter,
Sera Clay.
that's right, founders of Spiritual Mind Center in New York. You're listening to True Future Podcast, the show that brings you family-friendly wisdom, empowerment, metaphysical path to spiritual growth, and success both in real time and from the eternal. Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Hope you're having a great week,
Yes.
right? So what would you like people to know?
Me, and Bahlon has talked about one of you guys' questions, how nature works. And it was a very interesting conversation.
And Sera and Bahlon are going to talk through what Bahlon usually calls the nature of nature. And it's said jokingly, but what they are referring to is not just how most of us consider a separation between each of us and nature, but, right, you guys got into some of the fun parts
Yes.
of, in a way, reality, right? Because we are part of nature our own selves.
Yes,
aren't
we are.
And what else did you guys choose to talk about today's session?
We chose how the mountains evolve and how good things can be made just like in a snap.
That's great. Well, we are extremely grateful if you have been with us and supporting the show from the beginning. This is now episode 10. And I got to share personally that I'm enjoying the heck out of doing this because it's
I am too.
yeah, that's the reason why. And all you parents out there and grandparents and aunts and uncles, friends, you know how rewarding it is to do something together,
Yes.
right? With your kid.
Yeah.
And what's really fun about this is that we get to share it with all of you. So thank you sincerely. And if you have any specific things that come up, feel free to hop on our website, send us an email.
And give us a question we could talk about.
Yes, we want as many questions as you could possibly ask
And possibly think of.
that would help us a lot.
Yes.
So send them in, and we will be sure to put them into the rotation and make sure that Sera and Bahlon talk about them in one way or another.
We'll be sure to talk about any question we can ever find and we can ever do.
That's right. So we wish you another great week, and we will see you soon.
Hello, Bahlon. How are you doing?
We are always doing so well, especially when we are with you. And your dad, too. And your whole family, too.
So I have a question.
You have a question.
Yes.
We have many ways to engage with your question.
How does nature grow?
We always enjoy your ability to open the hammock as wide as possible for the relax, to look at the nature of nature, as you may see, for the issue with nature and growth is inherent to what you would say is the energy, the soul of your realm, the place you call Earth.
And home.
We say, 1. There is a heartbeat. There is an energetic measurement that is occurring here in your realm. That energy comes from the highly complex and interrelated atmosphere that exists inside of each one of the elements that make up the structure of all that you can experience while your energy is present. We are talking about your own self. We are talking about the chair. We are talking about the room, the home, the street.
Where we live and where we make our home and where we live and where we care and where we stay.
There is an inherent balance and relationship that is, we would say, somewhat disrupted currently, that has seen some interesting additions and subtractions made, both of your own choice and some which are just part of your reality. The massive issue of the changes that are occurring in this place are of great concern to many of you. We have watched many of you raise a flag, raise an alarm to change the nature of your nature. We have seen the concern, we have seen the worry, and while we understand that there can be some difficult moments ahead for many of you with nature, we also want to provide our reassurance that you are far from alone in your concern and quest to right your ship. You understand?
Yes.
We do not see that all is lost. We know many of you, especially children, are quickly appearing. Now, we are part of this process, mostly, in many cases, to ensure that the right energy arrives. The cavalry is here, and the cavalry is increasing. Much help is on its way. You understand?
Yes.
You and all your friends, you and those who come after you, you and those who will be younger than you, will look to you for your
Guidance and help.
and your heart, your powerful leading heart to carry the flame of truth, to carry the flame of growth. Hi, this is Kai Clay. Thank you for listening to our episode. We're excited to share the answers that Sera asked Bahlon this week from our listeners. If you're listening to this and you hear Sera or Bahlon speaking in light language, the language of light from the cosmos, and it's something that's new to you, and you'd like to learn more, please go back to episode 1 or episode 2, where we spend a significant amount of time talking about light language. We're aware this is new for some of you. While it may be interesting, you may have questions, but we don't want to always just explain the same thing in every episode. Thank you again for listening. Please subscribe. Please let us know what you think, and go to our website, spiritualmindcenter.com, where you'll have access to all of our content, to our regular blog posts, to Sera's lessons in light language for kids, and of course, please tune in every week. Thank you. We very much enjoyed our conversation with you before about evolution and the nature of time and the nature of choices that you make now will create your true future. You understand?
Yes.
That what happens now in your realm can provide a cumulative effect. The joining of all your energy in unison is something that is quite marvelous, quite powerful, and from our perspective, exceedingly rare as of this moment. However, all hope is not lost. All issues with the unison are coming further and further together, for we see the potential for critical moments of growth for your realm.
Yes.
To create dramatic moments of unison that become so powerful that many of you will choose to come closer and more unified with the others here to accomplish a shared objective, a shared potential. The current atmosphere that is here is often one of individual potential, and you celebrate each other as you each create what it is that you seek to do, setting aside any aspect of spirit, setting aside any aspect of energy, for currently the focus is almost always primarily on sustenance, on security, on money, as a evidence of what you would consider to be success. However, we would suggest you for a moment consider another paradigm to allow a new kind of success to manifest for yourselves
And the earth.
Yes.
The new success can be anything anybody can do. And you can all do it by your own decision. It's all up to you and all up to yourself. You can make anything happen. With anything you do, you can make anything happen at all. It's up to you. It's up to you. Make your choice. You can do anything and everything. By even one little thing, it can do a big thing to help or do well. It's your choice. It's your decide.
You are creating a moment for many to hear from someone of your age, a truth that is deeply inherent to the nature of all of your reasons for being here in this now. And we will share that we sense the deep gratitude of many for your willingness to share from your perspective. And we say thank you.
You're welcome.
And until we see each other again. We wish you and all of you good connections. At this point in the show, we'd like you to engage directly with us in a short guided meditation where Sera and Bahlon will speak in light language designed to bring peace and meditation and focus to you while you listen. Did you know that light language is also known as language of the angels? It is said to remove energy blockages. And although it is recorded, the energy is still the same. So close your eyes, relax, put yourself in a place however you feel best. For the next couple minutes, we will take you on a journey to the highest place we can bring through light language. Thanks for joining us this week on True Future. Make sure to visit our website, spiritualmindcenter.com, where you can subscribe to the show in iTunes, Spotify, Stitcher, or via RSS, so you'll never miss a show. If you like this show, you might want to check out our new book, Stepping Aside, Getting Out of Your Own Way to Reach Your Full Potential. It's basically the story of my interdispersed with wisdom chapters directly from Bahlon.
Bahlon is available for private coaching sessions with my dad. Just go to our website and account is easy to book. Or kids can join their family light circle, or I will do weekly lessons in light language and other cool topics, just to kids like me. Kung nagkamas ka naman kay Sherry, the soul, the sin mo kalisir, bikini ninyo ko, sili kita ka nakita, siya ko.